Sorkar TV.
Sorkar Jyllei Kabraya Slok Bat ka Director General of Police ka Jyllei ka kong ay nongrang klaraban Phah Khynra Naphang higi Jaka bla itho baga Phah ka Jingkhaïi tu yau Drok. Haga jinga karam bikilat patai kubor hadim lawa ka jingalang jonga drug reduction, elimination and action mission. Kabla long haka pratrik rusaw arajar apusan. Uminirang ba ka Jyllei konra ki sangma uliatho bagi pulit nang ni syakmat kinsa pulong ru ika jingtalasi kali kha Pat pendat ru ik CCTV kamera Bat na kata, labatharu ikatanat pulit, ban penlong, ika Khynra kindit ika Jaka kibla bananam, kumiktem kayi Drok.
From the point of view of the regulation and overall enforcement, we had a detailed discussion as the DG and other officials were present from the police department, and therefore very, very strict instructions and directions have been given that areas where which are hotspots and areas where we have information that different kind of drugs or substances are being sold in an illegal manner, that police has been asked to crack down on these locations. And therefore the decision has been made, and very regularly, as I said, surprise visits and checks will be made by the police, and this will be done in a very, very strict and aggressive manner, and the police has been asked to leave no stone unturned to ensure that this activity starts. Maybe we cannot go to all locations in one go, but we will start with the main areas where we feel that there has to be a very strong action from the police. So apart from the fact that the police has been very successful in catching the supply side, but the retail part where the sales takes place and where our youth and others are affected because of the the sale by certain individuals, we want to even go down to that level, and we want to ensure that the police now acts very firmly, and CCTVs will be put up in these locations, manpower will be increased in these locations, surprise checks will be made by both in fact all police, excise department as well as the community will work together to ensure that necessary action is taken in all these places. But the message is very clear that we are very, very firm on ensuring that the action against drugs is a very firm one. I want to send the message to the people at large that the government is very, very serious on this, and you will see very, very aggressive action in the coming days. And as I said, whether it's from police department, health department, social welfare, or the community, we will be all working together to ensure that we are able to control as well as we're able to act against this entire menace of drugs in our state. So for us, we will not stop till even the last user is rehabilitated and we are completely drug-free in our state.
Balai phi ong gate habangi don laga jongka kentien khasi kerdop lani phalor beli lani khang yakatuka phalor ni juya ong saka weiban kaktien khasi kamju ong banya kiw yau up hinrengi kiw yau thep tudayakan mau kendit ho lapan mi dakapati CCTV nakabenta ka jingmentoi upat ba